In our last video, we traveled over 300 miles across 4 states, Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, and Florida, where we reached our destination, Destin. For the next few days, no long drives. We're staying put to explore all the Emerald Coast has to offer. Well, good morning, everyone. We are at 30A Luxury RV Resort in Santa Rosa, Florida. And I gotta say, this is a really nice RV park. Fairly new. Here we go. I think about less than 2 years old. That's what the owner told me. It's really amazing, and I want to show you something real quick here. Kind of embarrassing, but it is what it is. You look behind me. Let me see here if you can see. I am parked between 2 Class A rigs. There's my little unit right there, my little wolf pup, and there's a 2 probably 6-figure priced Class A RVs. I know this guy is a full-timer. I think these people are too, but yeah, it's kind of like little David parked between 2 Goliaths. First things first, it just dawned on us that our poor Olaf has been cooped up in a truck or a travel trailer for almost 5 days now. I mean, we've taken him on his walks, but that has been with a leash. He just hasn't had a chance to run around the open, and we think he's getting a little restless. So we took him to the Walton County Dog Park to run around and burn off some of that energy. Now that Olaf has had a chance to stretch his legs, it's time to head up the road a bit to the little town of Seaside. Seaside is an unincorporated master planned community right on the Gulf of Mexico, about 45 minutes from Destin. Seaside is one of the first communities in America designed on the principles of new urbanism. The town has become the topic of slide lectures in architectural schools and in housing industry magazines, and is visited by design professionals from all over the United States. And of course, we got caught in one of those Florida afternoon rain showers. It happens here quite a bit. Just wait a few minutes and it'll clear up. Next, we head inland to Eden Gardens State Park. And what a beautiful park it is. The park features an ornamental garden, rose garden, butterfly garden, hidden garden, and a reflection pond filled with water lilies and koi fish. But the main attraction of this park is the former home of the William Henry Wesley family. What was once a hub for the Wesley Lumber Company operating from 1890 to after World War I, this house was adjacent to a sawmill, planer mill, and a dock to facilitate loading of huge barges. Now over 100 years later, it is a place of tranquility, nature, and peace. Inside the house is a gift shop. This is where you can also sign up for an inside tour of the house. We love old houses, so we decided to give it a try. We just got through with the tour of this beautiful house. They don't allow photography or any kind of video during the tour, but man, I tell you, if you think the outside looks marvelous, you ought to see the inside. Absolutely stunning. In our next video, we pack up and head further east along Florida's Forgotten Coast, where we drive along miles and miles of pristine Gulf Coast beaches until we reach our final destination, Manatee Springs State Park. If you like our channel, be sure to like and subscribe. And if you want to be notified whenever we release a new video, just hit that bell button. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the road.